Super slow day in the shop, as usual, because, well...
Baby, it's cold outside.
But I do have work from the sales department. A wicked red Street Glide, getting Eliminator 400s on it from Vance and Hines. You know the drill. It's an exhaust video. Sound test. Looks. I did an install. It's over there. We'll probably skip that part this time. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattanooga Harley Davidson, and on this channel I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley Davidson, you should hit the subscribe button right now. Vance and Hines mufflers going on it. We should check stock sound first. That's Travis. He's my underpaid assistant.
With my cousin.
Might be cold outside, but it's hot in here.
Packaging for the mufflers is pretty standard for all of Vance and Hines stuff. One big box, new clamps, instructions. Also, we don't need those. And then you have two little boxes. Well, smaller boxes. They are marked left and right. And in case you guys didn't know, the left and right has always mattered for Twin Cam and Milwaukee 8, but for different reasons. See, there's always been an indent for the axle nut in the mufflers, but on the Milwaukee 8, the right side is, well, it's bigger. I'll let you guys finish that joke in the
So while I do the install, since I've already done that on this channel before, and it's pretty simple, let's get real. A quick word from our sponsors, and I'll be back with a sound test once they're installed. The sponsor of this week's video is the Cove commuter speaker. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that they're friends of mine, and they offer a pretty steep discount to viewers that use the link in the description. Now, it does Bluetooth connect to your smartphones, your tablets, your computers, whatever Bluetooth 4.1 device you might have, but just in case you don't have Bluetooth on your device, it does come with a 3.5mm jack. It comes with a charging cable, allowing it to operate for up to 8 hours on a single charge, and it works up to 30 feet away. See, my phone is here. And it works up to 30 feet away. And it works up to 30 feet away. And with the powerful X-Bass subwoofer, it sounds really good whether you're close to it or far away from it. Hopefully it sounds good through the microphone and all that stuff, but trust me, it sounds really good. I use mine almost every day. It actually drowns out all of the racket from all these air tools that are always going off everywhere. So that's helpful. If you want 65% off of your Cove commuter speaker, make sure to hit the link down in the description below. And now that the exhaust is installed, we can listen to it.
I have a funny feeling that audio peaked. So in the interest of y'all being able to hear this exhaust with it not like clipping, we're gonna ride around the parking lot real quick. I'm pretty sure I have plenty of footage. If you've watched the channel before, lots of footage of stock exhaust. You know what it sounds like. And this way we can see the tack and see what kind of RPM I'm getting up to in these revs. Hopefully on the end of audio it sounds as good as it does in person. Should joyride around a little bit. Let's take a close-up of the mufflers really quick.
Pretty safe bet that's all I'm gonna do today. It's wintertime, what do you do? But hey, I got a video made. I got to listen to some Eliminator 400s. Eliminator 400s. They're available in chrome and black. 400 means 4 inches, by the way. Yeah, chrome and black. If depending on what finish your heat shields are, that's generally what you would go with for the most part. Thanks sales for giving me a whopping half an hour of something to do. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification so you know when I upload. If you haven't quite got your fix, there's a video here and here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. The video that I plugged earlier in the video is this guy.
Hey everybody!
It's Antonio with this stupid ugly Ford shirt on.
It's awful.